Come test drive the 2020 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, front bucket seats. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.